Welcome back, my fellow aggressive learners. In this section, we shall be talking about what we call CSS model. All right, so CSS model. All right, so this is what we refer to as CSS model. All right, a box model. Sorry. Now you can see this is supposed to be your content. All right, so inside your content, where you have your image or whatever it is, or text or whatever content is it that you have, just above it, you have your padding. All right. You know, when you say you pad something, you imagine you padding your shoe and all that. All right. That means you're trying to make it contain some little padded spaces. All right. Just trying to pad something. You should know what it means, right? This is your content. All right. And everything here is just padding. Is you trying to pad it so that it will look as if it is big, but of course you know it is not. And then this is your border. All right, this is supposed to be your border. And then the next thing you talk about is the margin. The margin is the space between your element and the other element. All right, the margin between you and other elements. All right, so the margin between one element and the other. So this is the space between your element and outside that's outside the border. All right, margin is always transparent, and margin is always between an element and another element. All right, so most often you will notice that where there is no other element, margin may not really apply. All right, so in that case, I would want us to go ahead and take a look at some of this content. We'll take a look at padding and break it down in VSS code. We'll take a look at margin, and then subsequently we look at border and some other border properties and or outline properties and all that. So